Smells good. Welcome back, modifiers. Today we're looking at the intake manifold again, not for this, but instead we're going to get this all painted. We had enough of seeing it in its bare aluminium form, so I'm going to get some epoxy primer out, clean these up, get set up, and give them a flick. Once these are primed, we can have a look at painting them the color they're going to be, which I think is going to be gloss black. First things first, I've got to get all the studs out, mask them up, clean everything, and get it ready for priming. And I've got to get some primer and put it in the gun and then spray it and not ruin it. So, I've got a stud removal tool right here. One of these funky little things. Probably the easiest way to remove studs. Sometimes it's a little bit bulky to fit in tight areas, but meh, should be sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those now. We're ready. Stuff's clean, it's behind me. Already laid out, like it. So we're ready to go ahead and mix up some paint. First layer of primer is down and it's looking good. It's looking cool. So I had the option of sending these away and getting them soda blasted to make them nice and smooth and have like a sort of dull finish, almost satiny sort of finish. But I decided, I'm just going to paint them. So I'm going to load them up with primer, and the primer loads in there pretty well. This is the first coat. I'm going to go fairly thick on the next coat, and yeah, I mean, from there, I should be able to wet sand them back and then paint them black. All going to plan. But that went really well. Everything's painted and looking good. So, on to the next step. And there we have it, guys. That's it. The intake manifold is painted. Once that's gone hard, I'll be able to put it all together and put it in a box, ready for it to be put onto the engine when it's all really in the final stages putting together. So we've got a few layers of black paint and a couple of coats of clear, and it looks pretty damn good. Let's go check it out. As per usual, guys, if you like this, you like what we're doing, you like the BMW build or anything else that we're doing, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it, or the dislike button if you didn't. Otherwise, I'm Daniel. We're done. We'll see you in the next video. Check out my IG. Peace.